Hello students. Today's chapter is the story of cricket. Honeycomb, the 10th chapter, the story of cricket. Everyone is aware of cricket. In this chapter, there is no story, but some facts about the cricket is given. And especially boys, they are very well aware of that. Cricket is one of the form of many games played with a ball and a bat in England from past 500 years. It evolved a distinct game around 17th century. There are many games which are played with ball and bat, but here we are talking about a game which is played with the bat and ball is cricket. Okay. Initially, during the mid of 18th century, the bat used to be like the hockey stick curving outwards. So when this cricket is started, the bat is not as shaped as today. It is something curved at the outward like a hockey stick. Like nowadays we are having the flat bat, but at that time it is little bit curved. People used to play with that curved stick. The test match played in cricket are the only format of any game which is played for 5 days and can still end in a draw. Another interesting aspect of cricket is that the length of the pitch is 22 yards, but the size of the ground remains unspecified. There are oval as well as circular cricket ground. At that time, only the test matches were played, which is for 5 days, and even playing for the 5 days, sometime there is a draw. That means neither of the team won it and in a draw. And another interesting thing is that the length of the pitch is 20 yards. It is fixed, but the shape of the cricket ground can be oval as well as circular. It is not fixed, but the length of the pitch is fixed, that is 22 yards. Rules about cricket were first written around 1744. Okay. If you are playing a game, not only the cricket but any game, there must be some specified rules and regulation for that particular game. ऐसे थोड़ी मन में जो आएगा वो कर लेंगे. There should be a specified rule. And for cricket, it was written in 1744. So you can think that कितना पुराना गेम है. It is an oldest game, you can say, and its rule is written in 1744. It gave the umpire the power to resolve any dispute. It specified the stumps to be 22 inches high and the bails across them to be 6 inches. The ball weighed about 5 to 6 ounces and the distance between the two set of stumps was 22 yards. This was the rule for the cricket. It is not changed by anyone, and moreover the umpire is having all the authorities to dispute anything that is happened between the two teams or the two players. It is having the control authority to dissolve all this thing, and they have to listen the words of the umpire. And few things are that the stump should be 22 inches, the weight of the ball should be 5 to 6 ounces, the distance between the two stump is 22 yards. It is all fixed. अपने मन से कुछ नहीं करना. If you are playing the cricket not at home, घर पे खेलते तो कुछ भी कर लेते, but you are playing with the national and internationally, these rules were fixed for the cricket. The first cricket club came into existence in Hambleton in 1760s. The first leg before law was published in 1744, and it was around the same time that the third stump became popular. By 1870, the matches were played for around 3 days, and the first six-seam ball was also created in the same time. Clear? Now, what is the equipment for the cricket? You all know very well because you are playing cricket nowadays. The most important equipment associated with the cricket continue to be the handmade still today. That means the equipment of the cricket is handmade today also. We are not making with the machine. Nowadays everything is made by machine, but the equipment of the cricket is made by hand only. They are made up of natural and pre-industrial material. The bats are handmade of cork, leather and twine. Only the protective equipments like the pad, gloves and helmets, synthesized material like vulcanized rubber, etc. are used. That means actually the cricket equipment is divided into two: protective equipments and the equipment by which we used to play, like bat, ball, stump. They are equipment by which we used to play the cricket, and they all are handmade and with the natural material only. But the protective material likes to protect your body, the gloves, the helmet, the pads you were wearing to protect your body, that is made with the synthetic material like rubber, etc. But the material by which you are playing the cricket, that is the bat, ball, that is made with the natural material only. Clear? Cricket was first played in India in Bombay by the Zoroastrian or the Parsi community. The Oriental Cricket Club, founded in Bombay in 1848, was the first Indian cricket club. The Parsi had to built their own Gymkhana following a quarrel with the white for the Bombay Gymkhana. In 1889, the Bombay Gymkhana team was defeated by the Parsi team. So, actually, student, first the Parsi team were playing for to whom they are playing? They are playing for the whites of the Bombay, but they had some quarrel between them. For that they want their own Gymkhana so that they can play their own. Actually बीच में कुछ लड़ाई हुई थी और उनको निकाल दिया गया था. So they want that we are good in cricket and we can also play the cricket. So they had their own Gymkhana team, and they played with that, and they defeated the whites in 1889. Modern cricket and use of technology. Now, as the time passes, everything had changed. So, cricket also changed. Its technology is also changed. Modern cricket is dominated by Test and One-Day international format. Some of the great players whom we all fondly remember are the ones who had played in the Test cricket. C.K. Naidu is one of the great players. He was also the first Test captain of India. India became a Test playing nation in 1932, many years before it got its independence. Okay? Now we are having Test as well as One-Day international, and first C.K. Naidu is the great player and he becomes the captain of Indian cricket team, and we have played before the independence, means independence ke before we are having our Indian cricket team. Okay. Test cricket initially was played among various parts of the British Empire and not between states. The first test was played between England and Australia. Television coverage has brought India to every household. With the satellite television, it is now possible to catch live update of match played anywhere across the world. So, Test cricket is played in British. And what happened? The first Test cricket was played between England and Australia. And now, due to the TV facilities, internet, we can see the cricket live. In spite of it is played in anywhere in the world, we can watch it live. So for that reason also, the cricket has people of each and every house can able to see the cricket, and it becomes the most watchable sports in India as well as in the world. India has the largest viewership of the game and is the largest market for cricket. 150 years ago, our Parsi ancestors had to struggle to play the game. But today, Indian cricket players are the best paid and the most famous in the world. Okay, in India, most of the people used to watch the cricket, and because of the Parsi ancestors, we are able to play the cricket. We got the opportunity to make our cricket team, and now our cricket team is the best paid team in the world and the world famous team in the world, as you all know, because every day you used to watch cricket on the TV. Even 2020s are also played now at times. Everything is there, and I think most of the student as well as the adult used to watch the cricket and they like the cricket. So this is the story of the cricket. It is not a story of animal, bird or a person. It is the story of the cricket. It is the story of a game which is the most popular game in the world nowadays. Thank you, student.